Xiaomi, you know them. You probably own one of their phones. They're the everything brand. They make toasters that connect to your Wi-Fi. Now they make cars. Big, shiny electric cars. Xiaomi wanted to be the Apple of automobiles. Sleek design, cutting-edge tech, world domination. They went all in on self-driving, promising a future where you could nap during your morning commute. Bold move. The hype was real. Investors were throwing money at them. The stock price was soaring. Xiaomi seemed unstoppable. They were the future of transportation, or so they thought. April 1st, 2025, April Fool's Day. A day for pranks, for laughter, for harmless fun. But not for Xiaomi. This wasn't a joke. This was their worst nightmare. A brand new Xiaomi SU7 cruising down a busy street, all autopilot, no driver input. Then, tragedy. A pedestrian, jaywalking perhaps, caught in the wrong place at the wrong time. The car didn't even brake. One life lost, others forever scarred, the dream shattered. The world watched in horror. The stock market reacted instantly and brutally. Xiaomi's stock plummeted faster than a Tesla on autopilot with a dead battery. 15% gone in a flash. Investors were running scared. Trust, once broken, is a bitch to rebuild. Competitors smelled blood in the water. This was their chance to pounce. They launched smear campaigns highlighting the risks of self-driving tech. They whispered about Xiaomi's recklessness. The public, once so eager to embrace the future, was now terrified. Xiaomi had to act fast. Damage control was in full swing. They halted all self-driving tests. They launched a full investigation, promising transparency. They pledged millions to safety improvements. But the stain remained. They learned the hard way. Innovation without safety is like a car without brakes. The future of Xiaomi's car dreams is uncertain. But one thing is clear. They won't be rushing towards a driverless future anytime soon. The road to innovation is paved with good intentions, but sometimes it's also littered with broken taillights.